We're making chocolate molded Rice Krispie treats today. First, we'll start by cutting the Rice Krispie treats to the correct size. Melt Merkin's candy coatings and fill mold cavities a quarter of the way. Press Rice Krispie treats into the mold and refrigerate for about 10 minutes. Top with more melted Merkin's chocolate. You can never have too much chocolate. Tap the mold down to bring air bubbles to the surface and refrigerate for 5 to 10 minutes or until they easily release from the mold. You know what to do next. It's time to decorate. Add chocolate drizzle and sprinkles, but make sure you let the Rice Krispie treats come to room temperature first. And that's it. Chocolate-covered Rice Krispie treats with a perfect chocolate coating and a smooth, professional finish. Enjoy. You can get the supplies for this project at confectionaryhouse.com, where we have everything from Merkin's chocolate melts to sprinkles and chocolate molds, basically everything you need for cake decorating and candy making at home.